We believe that by using webMethods, we're able to outperform our competition. It gives us a significant technology advantage over anybody who's still doing point-to-point communications or is still inevitably trying to put together legacy systems. The reliability it gives us, the business insurance we get from a transactional standpoint that it provides clearly gives us an edge over our competition. Ingersoll Rand is a approximately $12 billion diversified manufacturing company. We're made up of roughly 30 different business units. We own Schlage locks, we own Thermo King, we own Bobcat skid steer loaders, we own Club Car, and the Ingersoll Rand line of products as well. As a diversified manufacturing company, we have a large number of different systems, and there's a frequent need to have a lot of those systems communicate with one another. And if you don't do that in an organized fashion, you end up with a big spaghetti mess on your hands. So we have a need to basically have these systems communicate with one another and provide information back and forth such that we can give the information back to the customer reliably so they can plan and run their business at the same time. The customer has become more and more sophisticated. I mean, we live in a day now where it used to be that people didn't want to place orders on the internet. They wanted to be able to talk to a human being. Now they want to be able to do everything automatically on the internet. It's challenging, but it's also a tremendous enabler. Now many of the orders that we take come in electronically over the web. And so it's really allowed us to grow and use new channels that we didn't previously had. It allows us to service both the customer as well as our distributors through the web when they want information on how to repair products, or if they want to file warranty claims, or if they want to place orders. All of it's done electronically, and all of it involves webMethods. Just as we allow customers to communicate with us electronically, we also allow our suppliers to communicate with us electronically. So suppliers may want to check inventory levels at a particular plant or factory so that they know when we need replenishment. They may want to be able to submit invoices to us electronically for goods that they provided to us. And we want to be able to handle all of those things electronically because, again, it's a lower cost way of operating our business. The business benefits have come in a number of areas. The biggest ones are really the business continuity benefits and the reliability that we get, and the fact that we know that we will have, really pretty much guaranteed transaction reliability. Whereas in the past, before we implemented this technology, the risks were fairly high that we would have, transactions that would get entered into the system that would actually never make it to a factory. And that's real dollars. webMethods is absolutely a strategic component of our overall architecture. We do business with a lot of different technology providers and a lot of different technology companies. We classify them into two categories. We have those that we consider partners and those that we consider vendors. webMethods is absolutely one of those partners. And size isn't necessarily the measurement that we use. I mean, some of the companies that we do business with are very, very large, and they're still considered to be vendors because we don't have that strategic type of relationship, or it's not a core component to our architecture. It is the only integration platform that you are allowed to use at Ingersoll Rand, and we do not allow point-to-point communications between critical systems. Every time two systems communicate with one another at Ingersoll Rand, it flows through webMethods.